Hi everyone! So today we're going to be making the bird terrariums. I'm going to be using orchid bark as my base for everything else that we're going to be putting inside the terrarium. All of the items I'm using I got at Joann's except for the mason jars. So I'm just going to be pouring that inside the mason jar. It should look like that after you put it in. Apparently I'm putting some grass in. So next I'm going to be using the little moss that I will be setting my bird on top of. This is just to make it look a little more naturey, some nature vibes. Some cute little terrariums. I only put that to one section of the mason jar. Back it up. Hold on. Okay, there I go. So I just put it in one section and I put two little rocks in front of that. And then I'm going to be showing you my bird Henry, the holy grail, the main event of this terrarium. So in your go packs, you will receive a bird as well. I have all different kinds of birds I don't know the name of, but that is a cardinal. Henry is a cardinal. So next I'm going in with this cool type of moss. It has like a sticky back, so you're gonna see when I pull it apart. It's easy to pull apart. You don't even have to cut it. It smells good, not too messy. Yep, here I go, ripping it like it is nothing. Look like Hulk. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, so that's what the back looks like. It's not too sticky. And I just put it on top of the ridge here where the lid goes. You, of course, do not have to do this. You can make it however you want. I'm just showing you how I got busy with it, And then I'm just doing that again. I did keep a section open just so you could see Henry a little more. And there is my bird Henry, all done, my bird terrarium.